siguro I would want to be known as a versatile actor who can do multiple roles um, without being what do you call it? Typecast. Na you're just single positive actor.
Are
Si
you
Dennis naman, okay.
are you already at the stage na natanggap mo na yung kaya ng ability mo sa pag-arte?
I think yes, because meron ding factor ang age eh. I cannot play cutie roles naman at my age. So there has to be a certain level lang na pwede ko i-play.
Pero you're also dreaming of some characters, I bet. Yung ibang...
Meron kami mga, we thought about some films or some movies that we'd like to do na parang ganun, which are something that I'd really like to do also. Pero puro pa lang pinag-uusapan.
Okay, then.
Ako naman, yan, katulad din ng sinabi ni Sir Chief, syempre importante sa mga artista na marami kang magawang mga proyekto and iba-iba. Tsaka, syempre, gusto ko siguro matandaan and magain yung respeto. Hindi kailangan maging mayaman ka or ano man, pero yung respeto na nagigain mo sa mga manonood at sa mga katrabaho. Siguro yung pinaka-importante para sa akin.
Follow-up is, how do you see or how do you react when people perceives you in the same manner with the characters that you portray?
Like in every project na ginagawa nila, pag napo-perceive kayo as Jojo or as Vincent, depende siguro. Okay, go ahead.
Siguro matutuwa dahil may nararamdaman nila na yung ginagawa mo, kung masama ka man or mabuti. Para sa isang artista, nakakatuwa malaman na naapektuhan yung mga taong nanonood, yung mga nakakakita ng performance.
Searching.
Yeah. I guess I would be flattered
Kasi
ibig sabihin,
characters.
they really believe na ikaw yun. So you did justice to the role. Pinortray mo as it should be portrayed. So you should be very flattered.
Kasi sa long